Grevilleas belong in the Proteaceae family, and there are over 360 species. In the Sydney region, there are 5 species with a common name of spider flowers: the pink, red, white, green and grey spider flower. This is the grey spider flower, Grevillea buxifolia, subspecies buxifolia, and is one of the most commonly seen. Buxifolia means with leaves like a buxus or box. English box is used extensively for hedges in the UK and has small rounded leaves. This plant was first named by Sir James Edward Smith, founder of the Linnaean Society in London and its first president, in 1794. He called it Embothrium buxifolium in an illustrated work called A Specimen of the Botany of New Holland. The plant was renamed Grevillea buxifolia by Robert Brown in 1810. Buxifolia grows in a variety of habitats, but mainly on sand and sandstone. It's a shrub to 2 metres and can spread as wide. Leaves are elliptical to ovate, 3.5 centimetres long and 1 centimetre wide, with a little sharp point and a distinctive curve upwards to the tip, or mucron. What most casual observers would think of as the flower is actually an inflorescence made up of a cluster of flowers forming at the terminal of a branch beyond the foliage. The inflorescences have a brown to grey appearance caused by the dense silvery hairs. Peak flowering occurs in early spring, but flowers can be seen most of the year. Individual flowers are composed of several parts. The main female parts consist of 4 stamens, hidden away in a structure called a perianth, which includes petals and sepals collectively. Protruding from this are the male parts, the pollen presenter, made up of the style and stigma, which start folded up and then spring out as the pollen matures. This whole assemblage sits on a short stalk called a pedicle, several of which radiate out from the end of a branch. Once a flower is successfully fertilised, often by bees, both native and European, the fruit forms a hairy follicle about 1 centimetre long. Here you can see a bee sucking up the nectar produced by the flower. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and view other great content? New videos being added all the time.